Nyoxx Wakata could not hold her tears as she took to her social media pages to reveal this great news for the first time to all her fans. Nĩaraingĩrire nenda-inĩ ciake ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria na kũrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ya magegania kũrĩ arũmĩrĩri ake othe akiuga, "Today is such a beautiful day. I truly am grateful for everything the Lord has done for us. I have no words to express how my heart feels, but God knows I am happy. On this day, I have graduated with 2 caps, one in the educational field and the other one makes me join the entrepreneurial world. It's been such a journey, but today we are proud to introduce to you our latest baby, the newest addition to our cup, Nazmar's Foods. The story is one of determination, sacrifices, sleepless nights, emotional, physical, and financial sacrifice. But finally, at his own appointed time, he has made everything beautiful. Allow us to introduce to you the range of products in our line. Kata Jaikata words are not enough. Nio irugendo ruru. For the push, for the love, for the support. To family, I will forever be grateful. My fans, nyinyi mapenzi yenyu nayo imenifanya kusonga na kuwa jinsi nilivyo. Na wapenda. For friends who stood with me through thick and thin, Mungu awazidishie baraka zake. For orders and inquiries, feel free to call 0797 8030. If you ever walk into a shop, supermarket and pick any of these products, we will be glad for you chose us. Baraka, wow, she has now joined the entrepreneurial world. She has launched her very own brand or other business, Nazmar's Foods, dealing in food products. Now get a decorate to Arida Fari, although she has been working on it for a while, but now it has finally come to fruition. And in fact, get ready to see her products in our supermarkets and shops. These are some of the products, and they include honey, peanut butter, nuts, and crisps. And this was her second big win yesterday, the first one being her graduating with a first class honors and now launching her business. Words are not even enough to explain how happy and proud she is of herself. Na tukamwendithĩria ũhootani biacara-inĩ ĩno yake. May it prosper and congratulations to her.